is that both of you have the same problem. You guys are in the same situation. So don't say, oh, maybe you should. No, but maybe we should. Okay? So don't get mixed up. All right. So Ren and Kan work together for situation 1. And Ren, you're the leader.
Okay. Okay. Kan, our shower and bath are broken. And we need to get ready for school. What should we do about it?
Okay. Maybe we should ask to use our neighbor's shower.
Okay, but we can't do that because my neighbors are not kind and I don't know them.
Yeah.
Maybe we should go to a public bus.
Yeah. But it's too difficult for us to go to do this because in our neighborhoods there are no public bus.
Yes.
So yeah,
we have no time.
Yeah. Then okay. The best thing to do is not to take a shower. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. That's doable. Yeah. Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
All right. Oh my gosh. You guys are smelly. You guys smell bad. Really? Was that doable? For you guys, it's doable. Yeah. So that's good. Yeah. Disagreed, and then, oh yeah, that's doable. Or you can also keep disagreeing. Well, we can't do that because it's summertime and our body smells really bad. So, and then can continue. That's another way. Okay.